First of all, about the title of the project, of the work. Why Vertigo? In our case, we had in mind rather a mystical Sufi notion of being off balance in order to get to higher levels of consciousness, of touching the truth. So somehow when you enter this installation, you also could feel that not everything is clear, not everything is heard clearly, and sometimes some other sounds disturb you. Actually, we invite everybody to be a little bit off balance, a little bit puzzled, a little bit thinking about how to disclose the meaning and how to solve the riddles. Something which Princess Turandot was putting as a task before everybody who would like to be next to her. So you should feel yourself Calaf entering Turandot's palace somehow and solving different riddles. And in this case, these riddles are sound riddles. One of important and strong metaphors for us in this artwork is the principle of Chinese whispers, which is a fun game. But for us, it is somehow a reflection of the whole process of development and movement and change in human culture. Because each of us is a bearer of some cultural notions and ideas and plots, symbols and so on. And each of us is interpreting and passing it over to others with a personal touch. So we usually pass on what we have got from our predecessors or from our surrounding with our interpretation, consciously or unconsciously. So in this way, we try to make a mockery of famous and well-known musical parts or, let's say, notions and plots. And in such a way, so everything you hear here is a kind of endless Chinese whispers.